I needed to upgrade my suspension. And so I shopped around, I found him on Google, and I asked, I called Daniel, which is the service guy. And the suspension just needed rebuilt. It was riding like complete garbage, so I want to upgrade the suspension. He gave me a few really good options and told me to bring it down that day. So we came in about 2 p.m. and sat there and talked about other upgrades I wanted as well. So it turned into a suspension rebuild, and then it turned into transmission and skid plates and track bars and a whole bunch of other stuff. Before it was super stiff, it felt like rock solid, and then now it can't even feel the bumps. It feels like butter. Absolutely, yeah. Overall, everything was great. And I guess one of the biggest things we done was lowering the gears in the low end on the transmission, and that was a really big improvement. They was willing to really put in the work on the time frame I needed it done at, because I was supposed to go down to Sand Hollow. It was night and day difference for sure. For one, everybody's personality is amazing. You get along with these guys, which is good. Personal connection. The work, speaks for itself. The quality is there. The pricing is fair. So I honestly haven't found a shop that I was just satisfied with, and that's why I'm out here today riding with them. We ended up doing the front bumper with the Super ATV winch. We done, of course, this front suspension section, rack and pinion for the steering. Wheel spacers we done 1.5 inch wheel spacers to give me more stance. We done the front grille as well, give it a better look. And then we done the light bar up here as well. It used to have a thick one. I didn't like the look. I wanted a low profile, so we went with a low profile look. On the side here, we ended up doing an upgrade steering wheel, done the upgrade seat harnesses because my old ones is too old, and then we done a skid plate, a full skid plate all the way through the bottom. Yeah, so we done the trailing arms, the high clearance trailing arms, and then we also upgraded the radius rods. The clutch kit we done as well, and then the best upgrade I think we done was the lowering the gears in the transmission on the low side, and then we done the blow-off valve on the turbo.